Hi my country people, how una dey? Today I bring una the two most popular feeding bottle pikin for Nollywood. Dem explain why dem dey dash out property to their parents sake of say God bless dem yafun yafun. At least, e better as dem learn from their early stage say parents dey important in the lives of their children. The first pikin na Emmanuella Samuel in the Mark Angel YouTube series. The little girl, who don turn 12 years for July dis year, carry a whole house dash im mama last year 2021. According to wetin Emmanuella tok after showcasing the building to pipo who dey around, including newsmen, she say she no fit thank her mama enough for all the support she give am when she still dey shikini, and dat na the little way to make her mama happy. Maybe na dis one take style influence another pikin wey dey act well well for Nollywood and internet. Enorenze Victor, wey everybody know as Kiriku, too carry cha-cha Mercedes Benz dash im papa 3 days ago. According to wetin the 7-year-old pikin tok, e say pipo dey tell am say im resemble im papa wella, even though no be im be the first pikin of the family. Kiriku tok further say age no be barrier to make person mama or papa happy. E say e know how im parents suffer for am to make sure say im dey educated and get good life. Im papa, according to am, be the real pillar behind im success